With its powerful performance and solid design, the Asus ROG Ally made waves in the handheld gaming world, quickly becoming a favorite among gamers. Now, rumors are already circulating about its successor, the Asus ROG Ally 2. In this video, we'll cover everything we know so far about the potential features, improvements, and a possible release date. Let's find out if this upcoming Ally 2 can challenge the all-time favorite Steam Deck. The ROG Ally 2 is expected to refine the original's design language while addressing key ergonomic concerns. The predecessor's all-white aesthetic showed dirt and wear easily, leading to rumors of a new black variant option. The chassis should feature improved grip contours and slightly larger controller-style bulges for better ergonomics during extended gaming sessions. While the Ally impressed with its lightweight build compared to competitors, the successor might be slightly heavier to accommodate additional features like a larger battery and second USB-C port. The rumored addition of Hall effect joysticks should provide better durability and customization options. A built-in kickstand, similar to competitors like the Legion Go, could make an appearance for tabletop gaming sessions. The ROG Ally 2 is rumored to feature significant display improvements over its predecessor's 1080p panel. The new screen could adopt a 16:10 aspect ratio with 2560x1600 resolution, matching the Legion Go's specs. This higher resolution would enable cleaner integer scaling to 800p for better performance optimization without sacrificing image quality. The Ally's relatively thick bezels are expected to be slimmed down considerably, following the trend set by the Steam Deck OLED. While the current 120Hz refresh rate will likely remain, improvements to brightness, color accuracy, and response time are anticipated. The touch functionality, which was already solid on the original model, should see enhancements in sensitivity and precision. The ROG Ally 2 is expected to feature AMD's Z2 Extreme processor. This updated chip is said to incorporate a unique core arrangement with 3 Zen 5 cores combined with 5 Zen 5C architecture, aimed at optimizing both performance and efficiency. The graphics system is anticipated to include RDNA 3.5 architecture, which should offer considerable improvements over the previous model's RDNA 3 graphics. System memory might see an upgrade from the original 16GB, increasing to 32GB to better accommodate future gaming needs. Storage capabilities could expand beyond the current options of 512GB and 1TB, along with enhanced heat management for the micro SD card slot. The ROG Ally 2 is expected to address many of the software limitations that affected its predecessor. Windows optimization for handheld gaming should see significant improvements, with better UI scaling and more intuitive navigation options. The Armoury Crate software, which received criticism for its clunky interface on the original model, is rumored to undergo a complete overhaul. New features could include expanded controller mapping options, improved game compatibility profiles, and better performance controls. The addition of a second USB-C port would greatly enhance connectivity options, allowing simultaneous charging and peripheral connection, which was a limitation of the original model. The problematic microSD card slot should see a redesign with better thermal protection to prevent the corruption issues that plagued the first generation. New software features might include enhanced AMD FSR implementation, better Windows Sleep Mode integration, and improved game suspension capabilities. The Commander Center overlay is expected to offer more comprehensive monitoring and adjustment options, addressing a common complaint about the original's limited on-the-fly controls. The Z2 Extreme processor should deliver substantial performance gains over the original Ally's Z1 Extreme. The new core configuration could provide better balanced performance for gaming workloads. The RDNA 3.5 graphics architecture is expected to handle 1080p gaming more competently than its predecessor, enabling consistent 60+ FPS in modern titles with optimized settings. The original Ally sometimes struggled with thermal management under heavy loads, leading to throttling in demanding games. The successor is rumored to feature an improved cooling solution that should maintain more consistent performance levels. Early speculation hints at a performance improvement of 30–40% in GPU-bound scenarios and up to 25% better CPU performance, though these numbers are still speculations. Battery life was a major weakness of the original ROG Ally, often managing only 2 to 2.5 hours of gaming time. The successor is expected to feature a larger battery capacity combined with more efficient components. The Zen 5C cores should provide better power efficiency during lighter workloads. With the rumored improvements, gaming battery life could extend to 3 to 5 hours depending on settings and game demands. The new model might also feature faster charging capabilities to complement the increased battery capacity. While initial rumors suggested a Computex 2024 reveal, more recent reports indicate the ROG Ally 2 might not launch until summer 2025. Asus has stated they want to wait for significant performance improvements before releasing a true successor. When it does launch, pricing is expected to remain competitive with other premium handheld gaming PCs, potentially starting around $699 to $799 for the base model, with higher tier configurations reaching up to $999. The Steam Deck has cemented its position as a top handheld gaming device, thanks to its affordability, versatility, and seamless integration with Steam OS. Its open-source Linux-based platform allows for extensive customization, while its robust library of verified games ensures an excellent user experience. Features such as Proton compatibility layers and consistent updates from Valve further enhance the deck's appeal. However, the Ally 2's rumored hardware upgrades suggest it could offer superior raw performance and visual fidelity. Additionally, Hall-effect joysticks, a second USB-C port, and enhanced software like an improved Armoury crate could further boost its appeal. If you're looking for a handheld device right now, the Steam Deck remains a reliable choice, offering excellent value for its price. However, if you're intrigued by the possibility of future advancements in handheld technology, waiting for the Ally 2 might be worthwhile. The market is evolving rapidly, and the Ally 2 could offer exciting alternatives. Whether or not the upcoming Ally 2 can dethrone the Steam Deck, the hype surrounding this new handheld is an amazing sight to enjoy for every tech enthusiast. That's all for today about the upcoming Asus ROG Ally 2. Share your expectations from it in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this.